Hi everyone, welcome to Chris's Electric Training Room. I'm Chris. In this video, I wanted to show you these two doodlebugs because they have a story to tell. These models start their story with what they are. The Canadian National is a Nason Railways model, and the Canadian Pacific is a Scalcraft model. Both models would be considered pre-war models, but the Scalcraft was re-released in the post-war era. These models are probably kits and represent the kind of product that you would have bought in any scale as a model railroader at that time. They're made of stamped sheet metal, wood, brass, die-cast, and bronze castings. This is a time when OO was common and had lots of options. I don't know when these models were first assembled, but fast forward about 50 to 60 years into the late 1990s, where these models continue their story. This part of the story is at a time when OO was nearly forgotten by most people, no new products had been made for decades, and very little information was available. But if you were actively modeling in OO, these are the models you would have made. The Nason model tells us more of the story at this time. On the bottom, there's a cardboard tag with the road number of the model, 8224, a date of June 1998, and the initials of the builder, Pierre Bourassa. Pierre was a well-known OOer and made many models in Canadian road names. I believe that Pierre is the builder of both of these doodlebugs because the construction methods are nearly identical. Looking at the Nason model, you can see what new parts Pierre had available in the late 1990s. He used an American OO Scale drive truck, re-gauged to American OO, a big Sagami DC motor with an equally big flywheel. In 1998, those three things would have made a huge difference in smooth operation compared to what these models would have been equipped with when new. The Scalcraft Doodlebug is similar, with another American OO Scale drive truck, and in this one Pierre used a nice open frame 5-pole DC motor. But I also wanted to point out that the American drive truck, which I think came from a U25B, has the same wheelbase as a Scalcraft passenger car truck, which is what Pierre used in the rear. Jump forward again about 24 years till now, the year 2022. The world of OO seems to have gotten better, with more easily accessible information and even a few new replacement parts with 3D printing, such as bolsters for Scalecraft trucks, which I used on these models. When these models came to me, they only needed to tune up to run well again, but I wanted to continue the theme of their story by updating them with some more modern parts to make better running models. Starting with the Nason model, I added a Soundtraxx Tsunami2 DCC sound decoder, as well as a speaker and LED interior lights to complement the headlight that was installed by Pierre. For the Scalecraft model, I had to swap in a more efficient DC motor with a small flywheel so that I could use another Soundtraxx Tsunami sound decoder with the speaker, but I left the headlight and interior lights that were installed by Pierre. Normally I like to run these models with the sounds enabled, but right now I have the sounds off and I want you to watch and listen to how slowly and smoothly these models can run. Now watch the Scalecraft. I'm having a great time running these Doodlebugs, as completely vintage models remind us of where we've been, and new modern models tell us where we are. It feels unique to have models that can show us both then and now, and hit a third time somewhere in the middle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.